Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about two things. Can you convert crypto on Newton? How to send BTC from Newton? These are two questions that I get asked a lot, so I thought I would do a video on them. Before I get into the main content, I want to give you a little bit of background on Newton. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that is based in Canada. It is one of the most popular exchanges in Canada, and it is also one of the most trusted. Newton offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. You can also use Newton to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other assets. Can you convert crypto on Newton? Yes, you can convert crypto on Newton. There are two ways to do this. You can trade one cryptocurrency for another. You can sell your crypto for fiat currency, e.g., CAD, USD. To trade one cryptocurrency for another, simply go to the Trade tab and select the two cryptocurrencies that you want to trade. Then, enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to trade and click on the Trade button. To sell your crypto for fiat currency, simply go to the Withdraw tab and select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Then, enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to sell and click on the Withdraw button. How to send BTC from Newton? Sending BTC from Newton is easy. Here are the steps. Go to the Send tab. Select Bitcoin as the currency that you want to send. Enter the address of the wallet that you want to send the BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC that you want to send. Click on the Send button. Once you have sent your BTC, it will take a few minutes to confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, the BTC will be sent to the wallet that you specified. Newton offers a variety of withdrawal methods, including wire transfer, Interac e-transfer, and cryptocurrencies. You can also use Newton to send and receive other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum and Litecoin. Newton offers a variety of security features, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep learning.